hit a bar in Uptown Paris, my drinking friends and me. Shunned and kicked out all evening until we found this place eventually. The first time someone sees us, 8 schoolgirls from Germany, and with table and German school teacher keeping high spirits in check. They've had an amount to drink, which makes them find us interesting. So they laugh at us and point our way and carry on their evening. Amongst themselves and for their pleasure on a seat display on theatre sets, we in our English mannered restraint take photographs of this. They much amused and laugh at this, gathering bags and document cases, and cheerfully waving goodbye to us, take their leave for their separate places. Part 2 of this sprawling session begins at the table to right. Not noticed before, but bar is closed and pressure is on to leave. And 2 tables, we want the other, stand up and move towards the door. We know little that night is beginning, and what is before is as nothing. US Marines on shore leave, ditched in as one of their places. Here a high register English bleed, and so conversation is made while standing outside the bar on the floodlit street. 2:30 night and we want somewhere else. The drinking has only begun. Short walking and talking and spotting a bar. This one is open and serving till morning, and we have things to say about the UK, and they're going to tell us about the USA. This is the fun time planned, kicking ass and wrecking the bar. This is the fun time planned, kicking ass and wrecking the bar. This is the fun time planned, kicking ass and wrecking the bar. This is the fun time planned, kicking ass and wrecking the bar. Over the swinging plate glass door, take a table for all, mirrors on the wall, sit down with telephoto lens, call you garçon, get your ass over here. Get out my wallet and make it a beer. These glasses are not big enough for our purposes. We want the largest in the house to satisfy the UK American parents. To fill up our drugstore tract, to sharpen our act, to make a just piss to shout. We have the clout. What a great evening we've had amongst our extremes, the most for a long time.